over the host by keeping track of the relative number of high and low cards remaining in the deck. This is called card counting. Having more high cards remaining in the deck favors the player. Each card is assigned a value according to the table below.
Mm-hmm.
When the count is positive, the player high. When the count is 0 or negative, the player should bet low. Okay. And then you can see right here, so
Instruction.
count change. What's that? 079 minus 10, 10 JQKA. Jack, Queen, and King. Yeah, well, Ace. Yeah. You will write a card counting function. It will receive according to the card's value, C table. The function will then return a string with the current count and the string bet if the count is positive, or hold if the count is 0 or negative.
Okay.
Negative. All right, cool. Write a function. Receive a card parameter increment.
Where are you going? I'm storming off to my room. What game am I supposed to storm off to? You're supposed to figure it out.
Count 0 and negative.
Another bedroom?
Okay.
If the count is 0 negative, if the count is 0 or negative, the current card. Start of count as 0. Count is 0 or negative, the current count is clear. Say I receive CC card.
Then we realize,
Can we turn down Sheldon a little bit?
Oh, sorry.
I like him, but he's making $1 million an episode. I'm not really that much of a fan.
The way down.
All right, cool. So it's taking the parameter CC with what value?
Good card. So card. So I guess there are some integers or this any card, right? So it's either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, J, K, Q. So I guess we check the parameters. So it's a card equal to or card equal 3 or card equal 4, 5, 6. Count plus plus, and then if 7, 8, 9, else if 7, 8, 9 count. Oh no, you're not supposed to do anything. And then 10 J, Q, K, or A is a count minus minus. And then we check if and then we just return whatever.
Yeah, so if what you have in your if one deck is between 2 and 6 excuse me, you bet. But if it's 10, Jack, Queen, King, Alpha.
May I understand that.
So I guess you go increment or
increment of the count equals 0 if CC.
Okay. But remember, since we're returning something, hold on.
Remember, you see count
Count
up at top now. I said count is blank right now, no. So count you count not really.
Yeah, count is blank and is already defined.
Yeah, so in a function now, the function of your account you really pay much attention to.
Mhm.
So if a card is between 2 to 6, you want to add 1. We know if you add 1 already.
Yeah.
Count plus
if you,
equals count 1, I think. Yeah.
yeah, plus, increment. But
Yep.
if the card is between 10 and alpha, I mean 10 and ace, yeah, your card you go decrement or less 1 from count.
Okay.
So that now you have to go to you have to make sure so you return whether you want hold or you want bet.
So what me do is create like an action local variable and then say action equal to whatever and then I go add the return of the count plus the action.
Alright, go and work with you. Let me see if I tell me when I get it.
Yeah, see if it works.
Okay.
Let's see if I can.
Count plus action. Well, count is a wording. Count is a number.
Count is already a number, it's already defined.
Yeah. Count plus string. You have a toString in a JavaScript.
You have a what?
Oh no, when you add a number and a string, it becomes a string, right? Yeah. Okay.
It become a string. Yeah, so if you do that, that's concatenation.
Yeah.
Wait, concatenation.
Concatenation. Yeah.
Let me if I'm wrong, Kenneth.
You're right, man. Well, Kenneth there, boy. Me there, man. I mean, so we
Let me
know
see if
him.
we can feel.
Card equal to J.
So tell them we can call it out. If CC
Oh.
is
You know what I never do a while ago? Ranik. Instead of say if 2 is greater than or less than 6, I say if card is equal to 2, card equal to 3, card equal to 4, card equal to 5.
Brain outside.
Look like some me on a programmer at all. You know, programmers supposed to be lazy.
Yeah, why? You write a card content will receive a card family to return and you can rank it. Okay. The function will then return a string with a okay, so you will receive you will receive a card.
pause. The values that card has, is it a string or a number?
Both. Any.
Oh, come on, you can't be both.
No, not both, as in it can be any one off. You get me? But it's going to be turned out. Because based on
card
what?
can be a string or an integer
Yeah.
because you have Jack, Queen, and the Ace, which are just string or characters.
Is equal to
Chris, so them want to use this case now. You know that?
yeah, you can use switch cases with it.
Yeah, that them did want to do because we just learned it earlier.
Yeah, they usually prepare you for like the next challenges, so you end up using things from the previous challenge.
Yeah, but we never me not did it a while ago. But if me write out after me realize.
No, you can use a while loop, you know.
You can use pretty much anything.
Yeah.
You can use a while loop because what I was going to write is like while CC is the value of CC is between 2 and 6, you can add 1. Shit. No.
No, if.
If. Yeah, if statement.
Return a string current.
I think that the most easiest thing is to use switch or
do again. It not work. So
because you can do ranges.
Mm-hmm.
That is kind of the trick, how to include a range instead of trying to accommodate every single case.
But even if you use a case, like if you use a switch.
Challenge again.
so what am I do with card? What am I do with card actually?
Card, no,
What a
card
challenge
and
any
the
about-
parameter.
Card. What am I do again? It's a card at 237. Okay. If the count is positive. Receiver card. I'm according to the card. Let's see. Oh crap. Yeah. If card is. Why are my brains so slow today? Alright, so if card is say we're going to return a string with the current content. If the font is positive, hold. We're going to return a string with the content.
Is who's sharing screen?
Me.
Who is me?
Simon. No, it's that.
I'm me, man. Who there the door? I'm me, man. I'm me. Who are you? Me, man. Me no know name me, man.
I was all along, me think so only did have sense, but boy. Card. Okay, let's work on this one. If card is.
The function will then return a string with the current string
Boom.
if the count is positive. Alright, so according to a variable according to card value. So
2
this so according to card value.
2 and let's see if I remember for
What's here again?
Card. Screen gone dark. Card.
More high cards
A new stream, me I send. I'll show no more.
Less than or equal to 6. Damn it.
According to the table. When the font is positive, the player should bet high and the font is 0.
You're the nerd, man.
Like a choir.
Yo, I'm afraid of them money, you know. When the money start hacking your computer, you know.
Man, it sound like a choir.
They start hacking computer if they have a mic, then get cooked because.
JavaScript compass. That's not the implementation. I was writing it for
Okay, so the function will then return a string with
compass plus. All right.
So what will be the card's value right here?
Plus plus. Okay. All right.
Count
With me,
zero.
plus plus. What would be?
Okay.
Okay.
Why my brain is not working right now?
There we go.
And same brain now work right now.
And should I subtract it?
Just remember,
Shit.
Alright.
So
remember there's 3 cases here. It's either you add one, either you don't add, or you
Anybody
subtract.
get that one, yeah?
Yeah,
Which
man,
one?
I get it.
we're not
This
finished.
one.
We're not finished yet, but it take one. It makes sense now. Shit. Okay, so because it's a function, you're going to run everything at the end of everybody. So it's a if else, oh shit, else if
Nobody now share their screen again.
I was
Oh.
sharing mine, but my voice did stop work.
Simon, please save the day.
Oh dear lord.
Well,
Oh,
I will
it's
share about
stuck,
mine
it's
and show
stuck.
them off. Because mine run, but I'm trying to use the case statement and no. To do it instead. Hold on.
The switch case?
The switch, yeah. Hold on, let me just show me out. So this works.
Hold on, we're not saying nothing by you.
Switch makes sense.
Me not see nothing at all.
Switch does make sense.
So card is
Yo, turn the light for your screen. Oh, yeah.
alright, hold on. Yeah, me I see it now. Let me see if same case. Oh damn it. Show me. Why? Okay, something wrong. Come in see yours. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man, that worked for me.
I can't see nothing right this one.
Nope.
Why am I always a logger? I can never see nobody's screen.
Okay. Discord. Yo, RE. Okay.
I send a screenshot instead, because I sit there and come like it want to kill me. Not the Wi-Fi. Me not even understand it. Oh, the Wi-Fi
Yo,
is so
sure
bad.
send 13310 you said the offer.
I must.
I did it.
You send us a screenshot?
Yeah, do it now. So those are the two methods where you can use. You can use the case and you can use the normal thing I'm gonna comment out before.
Okay.
Although the second else if statement makes sense. Count plus equal to 0.
Alright. Me not even reach as far as you guys because me I spend more time on listen to you and drive you, but me show you something. Let me see if we can share my screen for a couple of seconds and show you something. You see where your code say, you see where you have all of that code like else if triple equals. What you could do is you could do something like this. I'm literally just going to copy code off mine and just show you. Copy. Yeah, me no. Just copy.
Oh yeah, copy paste. Okay.
Yeah, you could have done this.
Yeah. That me tell run it.
Because the less code you write, the better it is, and this is simpler. Because me now I learn something called clean code. So between the range this and this, it's supposed to work.
Yeah, that's what I was telling Simon. Say me never do. But that's the mark of a programmer. A programmer is supposed to be lazy. So you're not supposed to write out so much.
Yeah. Because this is alright. Watch it joke now. Ready? You see your switch case code here, right?
You can't see nothing, you know.
May I look for your code? Yeah, you have to go run some screenshot while you're code, cause your screen share is interestingly upsettable. May I try to find something for replace Skype? Cause may I try to find something for replace Skype for we? Cause
No,
we have to be.
Skype alright, but here we go on. My Wi-Fi bad.
The man that said alpha 13310.
Person who just post the code, there's a slight issue with it.
Wow.
What's up with which one? The one that I wrote? The last piece?
The one that's if card greater than equal or card less than 6.
Oh yeah, that's true. It have to be ampersand. Yeah, because if you get one, if you put one, everything I got pass yourself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So it should be if card is greater than or equal to 2 and less than or equal to 6.
Yeah, and not or, yeah.
Okay. Sorry, my brain, I'm left-handed. My brain's wired the other way.
Left-handed.
No, seriously. My left-handed, my brain wired the other way. You know how long it take me for learning sitting there?
No, that means you're left-brained. Come on.
Anything you want to say. Yeah, so this is supposed to, this will pass now. And it's supposed to be ampersand instead of those two nice lovely things. Damn it. So this is supposed to be a piece of code right here.
What's the answer then?
That's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Just go. Share your screen now. No, wait, not that. Between 2 and 6. So if card is greater than...
If card is equal to or greater than 6. If it's
between 2 and 6, so if for 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, that means so it's greater than 2 or less than 6, or I mean greater than or equal to 2 and card is less than or equal to 6.
Okay, so let me see something. This is what learning Python does to your damn brain. Some shit.
Kenneth, where you there?
Yeah, me that one.
Dog, you know.
My youth, away food I do to your man, the man sound like him have a deep conversation with the food.
No man, me not consume that right now.
Alright.
Simon, you there, boy?
Yeah, but me I tell him I feel tired doing it, brother.
What on free code? What we say you have?
I'm stuck. No reach out, my brain now work, man.
You have some coffee or something?
Your screen.
Huh?
You have some coffee or something? Share back your screen. If card is 6, 7, 8 times.
But let's not look for what everybody do and I try to do it different than everybody do. So we can all learn different ways to do it.
Yeah.
That switch cases is one of the best. Switch cards 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that is one of the better ways to do it because of that and just teach, you know. Yeah, me just learn accumulator methods in a Python, so may I try transfer.
Yeah, but this not go longer though.
Yeah, that the code is longer, but if you alright. Anybody here who finish this thing knows that if you use something called where you do the weather app, where you have to take the data from the JSON API, you can always use a switch case to run the code faster than if else. So it's good to learn the switch case because after me finish the JSON, after me finish the weather app, like my man, freaking asshole. I love him to death, but him piss me off sometimes. Him teach me say you can use a switch case because him said because I run my app on my phone. Like whatever me make, me push it to GitHub and then run a web page or a file to test if it work. So this is one of the switch case is one of the better things them for you learn. Okay, let's do this again. Greater than Timid. Card is greater than and card is less than or equal to 9, is it? Count equals count. Count is equal to if count is equal to count, isn't count is equal to 0?
No, because they might call it on different things. They might call it differently. So it's like depend on the current value of count.
Yes.
I remember count is a global global variable in this case.
Sure. Oh, okay. Okay, considering this is going to only run 3 times, so we are going to have to write this out.
Alright. So,
58 Facebook notifications.
Oh, please.
For the code cam.
No, Simon, tab where open, sir. Could I see what I tab them when open? No, I nothing.
yeah, too fast then, man.
Y'all just evil for that one.
Man, I was Dragon Ball Z.
What?
Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Just give me a couple seconds.
Stop the sharing, yeah, man.
Michael.
Stop the sharing.
All you have to do is pull all the information to another web page. I don't know what this is.
You don't have 2 screens, Simon.
Yeah, intimidating nigga. Come on.
Oh God. Lord, man.
I kill me, man. I kill me.
Tell us I'm gonna chop because you're blocking her, but it's alright. Hold on.
I'm gonna have Skype on my laptop, so I'm gonna post my answer in the group. I want to can post it back in the Skype for me.
Okay. Web.whatsapp. Simon good still no, cause here we go on. When me do something I mess up, I straight to live it go. So I don't like I just one time Skype.
Kinda sucks for you, no.
And a one time Skype thing. Live is there forever.
But so I say you're supposed to code. You code and make mistakes. And learn from your mistakes.
That's true.
Watch back the first live on there.
Because
I be a joke we are getting the first live, you know. Be a joke. Samantha is here. She just not call. Samantha there, you know.
Alright, so I manage to do it in what? I managed to do it in 4 lines.
Really?
Yeah, cause one of them not
That's
necessary.
cheating. More seat.
No man, one of them not necessary. Between 7, 8 and 9 are necessary.
Yeah.
All this stuff though.
Whatever, because more seat and teeth. Me a code thief. Me a tell you honest truth.
Jesus Father. One say, me a code thief, me a tell you honest truth. Sir, you're a collaborator. You're an open source advocate.
Not in Jamaican terms.
Open source advocate.
Okay.
Peak life. All right. How far? Did somebody else screenshot what they did?
I think Kenneth is posting something.
I have to make sure to share it. Coffee live. Forgot. I said midnight. Oh shit. Sure, yeah, the one just joined. I'm looking at the chat.
Oh, like FreeCodeCamp Kingston sleep at this time of the evening.
Somebody just joined. Welcome, Samantha.
Good night.
Hey, good night, Sammy.
What y'all doing?
Advice.
We are on the lesson.
Try to take over the world.
Which lesson are we on again? We are on counting cards lesson on the FreeCodeCamp chat.
Counting cards.
Yes.
So
We're playing poker.
okay. So considering that
Samantha, you're in the group already? The FreeCodeCamp group?
to be
On
a
Facebook?
string.
On Facebook?
Yeah.
No, not on Facebook.
Yeah. Ronik, I don't know. Because we have this live stream up. So just we just notify you that you're on live right now. Just in case you're gonna say nothing. Like how
Last name Samantha.
like how Ronik just said, Motif.
Dancing.
Murder she wrote on a note.
And say murder she wrote on a note.
You know, so we laugh when I code.
That's kind of go give a sleep on morning and have jokes for days. Alright, so what I'm here, boy? Boy, I'm going to tell you.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
I think so. I think if you're on Facebook, you should have gotten a response of some sort.
Ah, Jesus, man, shoots money.
Samsung them, man. Samsung them.
I don't have Samsung. What?
I mean, just whistle, brother.
Right, sure.
Good one.
This is cheated. But may I tell you the honest truth? I think we have a thief that code there.
Which one? The switch case?
No, man, the one I can post a while ago.
Let me see it. Which one? Reinforce it.
Wait, me take my phone. Hold on. We got to end the
Online, I've been gotten any request.
Notificate. This is for what? The conversation for the to join the Skype?
Yeah.
No, to join.
No, to join
the
the
FreeCodeCamp
Facebook.
online.
That's where you saw us from there, right?
Yeah. I've been following you guys. I've been wondering when you're having a local meetup because I have 2 friends in Jamaica who want to learn, but I can't find anywhere to sell them.
Man, Skype, man, remote there.
Somebody can post it. Somebody can post a screenshot in a Skype for me.
Okay, will do.
Yeah, man, mega post it. Just a second. Just a second.
Q.
Some reason, the Mac run slow tonight.
V.
I try to do it different from everybody else.
Oh, okay. What's includes?
Mega post it in a Skype so you can get it.
Yeah.
Give me a second there. Some reason. Yeah, because of this. FreeCodeCamp.
Code camp.
So includes work on all
What do I do
collections.
from?
Whoa.
You see the code?
But. Now, does it take everything? Oh, this is nice.
That me I tell her. This word thieving.
Nice. Hold on.
That's the truth.
Includes work on all collections, Kenneth. The work
Maybe
pan-
just
I just
I'm
array.
not. Yeah.
I've never done this before, but this let me sit down and read it.
Samsung.
Look here.
Oh no, it's also on string. String array, string and array.
That's not look neat.
Yeah,
Hold
man,
on.
this neat, way neat, man.
Oh, wait,
Tell
let me
about
see
the
it.
professionals, them, man. Let me tell about the professionals.
Why don't I see it?
It's
It's in
better.
Skype.
It's in Skype. Image.
What may I miss? May I miss it, sir? So why it give me an error? Okay.
If
Why it give me an error? No. This is nice. All right. Let me go back to my badge code. Make me look like an idiot.
Really, I want Ken Kazi.
Okay, it's all right. No trouble come Friday, man. You just not gonna get none. That's your problem.
Yeah, we say Genius to our next class, you know.
Okay, so I need it to check is all switch case. Now if so if it's
We could see your screen.
Oh.
Simon, you good?
oh,
You
no,
pass
I'm
it
not
already?
good. Man, shit.
We could see what going.
Nope.
Shoot, where? This is why I'm gonna like, shit. All right, hold on. Let me try making this on my screen because this is pissing me off.
Someone send a link on Facebook.
Hold on, I still work on mine. I'm not done it. I'm not showing them how stuff. Okay.
Samantha, you have an earphone? Yeah? Yeah, use it.
Yeah.
Someone come and go like section and talk.
No, that. From when she come in, we hear the
That
echo,
is-
echo. So I know she have on the sound.
Oh. Alright.
Hold on.
Look on this code there for me.
Hold on. Am I sharing the wrong screen?
So here, if card is less than, no, between.
America.
Hold on.
Samantha, turn down that little bit there. Everybody are complaining about echo. What is sound shot?
Oh, damn it. Sorry, this I run around.
Okay, I just connected my earphone.
Yeah, no,
Nice,
echo there.
Still echoing.
Little bit.
Okay, so you're one.
Hold on.
Samantha. Somebody else.
Stone Love.
on, it's who that? For real, cause if it echo that way, I will never echo in a live too. You need to echo in a live, you know. Come here, capture desktop audio.
Yes.
Is that
Yes,
Ubuntu?
Hmm?
Oh. Oh, ne fata la ji da sa shaka da
That's
boat.
the for mine, yeah, me.
Tell us, I am back now. All right. Okay, return.
Plus when time them in Jamaica start church for the hackers them, they know
Yo, there was a government hackathon today.
Where?
eGov Jamaica hackathon. I saw it. When I follow Minister Minister of Technology and Science on Twitter. When I go on Twitter, because I saw them really talk enough for them things.
I couldn't send with you out. If I could have fling big stone, I fling a big stone off fire.
No,
I use Ubuntu.
I today I find it, but here we go on. It come like say today the hackathon and I today the first time I see nothing about it. So that make no sense.
I know Ubuntu this.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna send you a picture. I'm gonna see. I say, what kind of thing this? Oh, if you market something for the day where you do it, that means that only friends and family get involved in that, you know.
No, I'm gonna.
Sammy, you got into the thing now? FreeCodeCamp.
It's greater than or equal to that.
Yeah, go that one though.
I could see you now.
Alright, alright, man, stop share mine and anybody else can run it.
No, with your before you're gonna run though, but with your own, look on where you say the card thing. What's happening, you know, is that when you're testing card, you're supposed to test the interval between 2 and 6. So in order to test the interval between 2 and 6, you have to say if card is greater than or equal to 2, and if card is less than or equal to 6.
All right, don't have to bear with me. That's what I'm supposed to use, right?
Yeah, as well as the flip the greater than and the equal sign up top.
This is some bullshit. All right, cool. Thanks. Okay, so this is going to be this.
Yeah, and the other one a greater
than. That. Okay, cool.
And then don't get so now. So then now you do a next if check at the bottom of everything else. After something you're going to check count. So if count is greater than 0.
Let me finish. Hold on. It's greater than or equal to 7 and less than or equal to 9.
Yeah. And then, no, so them they stay as or. No, them they stay as or.
That means I need right. Okay. That means I need to make me know.
Remove the 0. Yeah. So now you check count. So if count is greater than 0.
Okay, so this function is done. So let's write some notations. If count is greater than 0, damn it, stopping it out.
You gotta do bet. So if count is greater than 0, say answer equal bet. So create some local variable called answer.
Count is equal to 0. I can never use let. For answer. Hold on. Whoa. If count is greater than 0.
Yeah.
Hold on.
But initialize. I mean, define the variable up top, like below where them say only change code below this line. No, inside the function.
Oh, hold on. Oh, So change it here. So let's leave this alone. Alright.
var answer.
So
You return
okay, so if it's what? If it's
Let's-
positive, it's
So define it, put the semicolon, and then down at the bottom. So if var answer, we just define it there. So no, just answer.
oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, then down the bottom now we're gonna say answer equal bet else whole. Answer equal whole.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's
positive anyway.
bet.
Else answer equal whole. So now how we're gonna do now, I return count plus answer. In the normal string notation, of course. I have to make sure it's a space in between the two variables.
okay. Hold on.
And remember a semicolon and what else?
Yeah, me I type in a Python. Python don't require semicolons.
Yeah.
That's what I have to remind myself. It don't require semicolons.
Just that man, they get this already, though.
No, I'm gonna get this already.
So return
Okay, so we
Okay.
count
return
plus
what?
answer.
Alright. May I go share screen, is there?
Hold on, me I stop my one.
Oh, alright. Well,
Go for it.
Go on now.
alright. Can I look for a whole song on and it look almost, hold on. But Mario, share screen, I stop it.
No,
Okay,
you
who has
share
share
now.
screen? Samantha, I think is who else has share screen?
Nobody
Mr.
not
Man.
share now. You just stop here so it in conflict with my boy one. So I'm gonna do it again. Okay.
Alright.
Count.
Yeah, it looked somewhere like what's that one?
No man, take out change me overall. Greater than 0. Oh, that number 19, line 19, you don't need line 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 at all. Just take out the whole of that. Or if you don't want to take it out, you can say count plus equals 0. But basically, it's just saying don't change count.
What?
Plus equals 0.
I can't wait, I say.
It's basically saying count, you leave count by itself. So you just say plus equals 0 if that's what you want to do. Like if you don't want to change anything. But that would be redundant because you don't need it. So what you can do is just delete all of 16, 17, line 16 to 20. And then it works.
Alright. Cool.
Yeah, but down at the bottom now, you have to run. You have to say count plus bet and then count plus hold. So the variable. No, inside of the return. Inside of the return. Because remember we return the number them. So we can just say count plus and a space inside of the quotation mark. So write count.
And
Count plus.
oh yeah.
And then remember the space in front of the bet. Yeah.
Okay.
And say count plus hold, and I hit that.
Alright, that's rapid. Yeah, struggle.
My one break. My one not running at all.
And then you run.
And I'm gonna need this, right?
No, you don't
The
need
marker?
else. But it won't ever reach there, but you don't need it still. Take it out, yeah. And try run that and see what's going on.
Yeah, my one break. My one.
Cool. Thanks.
Before you go on now, Simon, you understand what happened?
Press X. Don't press submit and go. Press the X, the exit button. Beside keep on trucking. Yeah, talk ready.
Where, sir? Not really explain though. Explain. Maybe I get something.
So what I'm going now is that when time I pass the card number or letter to the function, the switch statement where build us up, we have cards.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
You know, man.
Yeah, hear me now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we are here. Good.
Yeah, we're here, you know.
Alright, so what happened is that whenever you pass the variable or the string or the number card to the function, you go pass that card to the switch statement, and if that number falls between 2 and 6, if the card itself where you pass is either 10, Jack, Queen, King, or Alpha, you go -1 from that count card. So you move from 0 to -1.
Yeah, so okay. So why hold on. So why from wait, I don't know. I can't go back up. So why from 7, 8, 9 never really matter though. So
Because
why?
you don't make it change the count.
Because you go return 0 and the count is already 0.
Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, I get it now.
If I scroll up and look on line 2,
Mhm.
you realize the
Sorry
count
about
is
that.
already 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool, Sam.
Alright, so from line 28 to 34 now, that's where the code really tests what you do. So you go, test if count is greater than 0, you want to return the count, which would be 1, plus bit. If count is less than 0, you go return whole.
Yeah, I get that part.
One change I would do to this on line 32, instead of having the OR statement, you can just put less than and equal to.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Basically, you're saying the same thing. If count is equal to 0, or if count is less than 0, you can put that into 1. If it's less than and equal to.
Yes, and that works same way. Yeah, thanks though.
Yeah. That much short and easier though, thanks.
Yeah, let's go, dude.
Exactly. Yeah, me go to it.
Objects, you beautiful, wonderful child.
Is this the same thing? Is this the same track, or are we in the object-oriented track now?
No. They are the same track.
Oh, okay.
Just like them
I'll introduce it.
yeah.
You may have heard.
Objects are freaking dot notation.
Objects are similar to arrays, except that instead of using indices to access and modify the data, you access the data in objects through what we call properties. Here's a sample object: cat. The name is Whiskers. The number of legs are 4. Number of tail are 1. And enemies equal water and dog. Objects are useful for storing data in a structured way and can represent real world objects like cat. Okay, make an object that represents a dog call my dog, which contains the properties a name, legs, tails, and friends.
You can have any strange animals too, because for me dog they have 2 tails.
What?
What kind of dog that?
Nah, no question. Me nah ask. The very fact that this guy is actually naming them. Right. Two here, man, talk about Jigglypuff. Jesus.
Name equal L.A. Lewis.
Man, get a Pokemon.
Oh dear Lord, man, so name equal Ella Lewis. Lord, man says.
Friends equal Tanto.
Tanto blacks. Oh, you mean real.
Real rich.
All
What's
right.
my first name? Real. What's my last name? Rich.
Nerd.
What's all of my name?
No rich.
Nerd.
Man,
I
I
said
say,
no
what's up?
rich.
Man, I say, what's my full name? Man, so what's all of my name?
Session 4.
So
You
accessing
may have heard.
when I move. Which one am I reaching at this thing? You know? So we have
The path becomes undone. There's a hole.
right,
I
check
can
your
feel
profile.
it.
Look up.
In my soul. Can you hear it? Can you feel it? Your eyes be meal. Okay.
Kenneth, you have also
That's
contains,
that's
MDN array contains.
dog. That sound like you can get one.
You know that one there?
Yeah, all
Old time show.
What am I trying? What am I trying to say? All your all. Brother. Alright.
Oh, the man was such a let those for this one.
Application. So. Set the variables to what? Set the variable to hot value. Subject hot. Get yourself.
Oh my god.
So they want giant
Okay.
Kingston.
HAT. Second one is supposed to be that shirt.
Okay, we reach this one now, Simon. You did that? Accessing object properties with
Just like
dot
yarn and
operator.
a stretch.
Oh, the man dead. Mother.
I'm me tired.
Oh, me?
Property. Shirt.
Programmer never sleeps. Come on. Come on.
So legs.
Somebody beat him up for me now, please.
Let him.
Simon, you should just copy and paste this up. Cause same thing.
Oh,
What if you
Alright,
done
sure.
gone bad already? You done gone bad.
yeah, you make a point.
Renika say you gone bad already.
Today's what? Today's the
Dog named Rocky.
Jesus, if you're not too busy.
Yo, where you get that from? Nash Bridges? Why would I say that? No. It's supposed to be an array.
My dog me a mute.
Oh, must be array.
Like above, like over.
Yeah.
No, because all right, what's going to be in that array is a string. So whatever is his friends is, it can be a number. It have to be a string.
Alright.
Yeah, that's string. Use the example at top or the example in the corner.
Really, make him try that because it might just work because I'm actually an array. See if
Okay.
it works still.
it
Yeah.
depends on what the test
That's not
testing,
what
because
them
if it's
want
just
to do, but try
testing
it
if
and
friends
see
is
what
an array, then it'll go pass.
Yeah, try it and see what happen if that happen.
Let me see. I'll see if it run.
Yeah, man, try and see if
Yeah,
it
run it.
See, go through.
Before
Okay.
you go,
Because what am I testing?
wait, before you don't press submit. Don't press submit. Press X.
You can
Too late.
No, you can't go back. I'm good.
So for the live,
No,
so for the live, one thing, this is object notation. Well, we call it object what? What them call? What them? See the title of the thing again? Then over to the left.
Yeah, break up. I can't hear you.
What them
Yo,
call?
yeah, break up bad.
What the lesson
I can't hear
name?
you.
What the lesson name?
Nah, I hear
Nobody
you
know
at
what I
all.
say?
I don't like him have stammer.
Youth, your life was stomach youth.
You hear me?
Somebody give him some water there, please.
Yo, me there, man. You hear me?
Don't say my stuff. I want some water.
Alright, so for the live. You not hear me?
Yo, Cree.
With,
Wait.
You not hear me?
with friends like these, why does a man need enemies?
You not hear me? You not hear me?
Oh, God.
Yeah, we're here.
Alright, good.
Yo!
So this is building objects with JavaScript. We realize that within an object, there's no semicolon as there is with a normal statement, and there is no none of that comma thing on the last line. So this is just for the live. Whenever you're writing your objects, sometimes objects get really, really long, and people get confused when it comes to the comma thing. So just have that and note that. Yeah, we can move on now.
I don't hear one thing we say while ago, but alright.
This is like you say, oh, for the prayer. Amen. Move on.
So we tell about get you everything that he does say. Okay. Oh, no, rough. I swear.
Every time she goes away, there's no sunshine. She's got okay.
Accessing
It's the
properties,
You're the
great.
one star.
A big singer, huh?
Frank Sinatra.
Really, sunshine. How the hell you get Sinatra? This brother one.
I don't know the old time people song there. I just call the oldest brother I know.
Really? You think of the Moses right here?
It's alright. You're going to get. You're going. Is that no yourself, man? One day somebody going back you with a nice piece of guava switch. Go around them. Keep me out of get. Alright, let's run this. Okay, so my object, so test object equals going to be equal to. Okay. Object property 1. So
two ways access properties of object. That notation and
Opa still there, Nick?
She gonna sleep.
Opa, yeah, money somewhere.
okay.
Yeah, and she have to wake up like 4 o'clock for go work.
Yeah, no, star. Can't keep Opal up then, man.
Opal. Yes, a sample of using that operator. Okay.
Wait,
Tell us a test object that I had.
some
Say only is it name of
Okay. Definitely doing this wrong.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. So
Granny, me just finished the calculator yesterday.
You know, so I need to do it for my calculator though, because I'm not too comfortable with it.
Well, if it work, it work.
With eval, of course. That was the secret weapon to my calculator, eval.
Oh, yeah, thief then.
Come on, the calculator works.
What?
No such thing as cheating programming, man.
Exactly. You always like a refactor somebody else code.
Yeah.
But me still want to build over the calculator. But I kind of not comfortable with it now that I have a little bit more sense.
But for the purpose of the live viewing, never use evals. Dangerous function to use because it will execute any JavaScript code, so people can actually insert malicious code into your program.
A proper calculator.
Wait.
Value and shirt value.
Hold on, let me jump over.
I think there's a single viewer.
Yeah, so now you just say test object
Whoever
hat.
If you're not from Jamaica, big up yourself.
Well, you know, say person cannot watch the live from other place though, and it not show.
Really?
Yep.
No, not with this, cause it's the live is posted within the group.
Oh yeah, for sure. My bad.
Set the variable hat value equal to the
And
No,
there's
not hat value. You're gonna get hat value from the var already. So you just do test object dot hat and then that's it.
Okay, YaadCode. Okay.
No, in on line 11, cause look at the comment. It said change this line.
Oh, that's it.
So just test object dot hat and that's it. OBJ. No, the same thing with them have. OBJ. Yeah.
Oh, ratted. Ew.
So just dot hat. But you
So
get
the second one not gonna be that sharp.
Yeah. I know that shirt.
Jersey.
So this has something to do with football. I know, basketball. Baseball.
Baseball cleats.
No cleats. They call football boots cleats over here too.
No. Try. I don't want. I don't not even want to hear me laugh. Try explain to somebody what cricket is. That is the funniest shit.
Cricket is the best sport in the world, brother. That's all I need to know. Let me show you. That is all I need to know. See it there?
Oh, like that. Well, let's put it like this. May I watch cricket?
Some action.
May I watch cricket from when? Ambrose Walsh, Adams, Shandapal. That's how long I may watch cricket.
Or just a madman or theme bat.
Yo, the man with balls from sideways, him still about I am the man. Still a ball?
Yeah, somebody need to give Giovanni chill pill.
Chill pill.
Yeah. You, my people laugh off fire.
Shut that big man.
Yo, you're not afraid people laugh off fire.
It's too late, man. They say if you can't accept yourself is the first step.
How's that?
Yeah, again, wait, you know.
Crickets.
Ask me the same question, Samantha. Away my butt.
Let me show you
Yo,
what.
probably a mosquito.
My practice, man.
Mosquito, man. Come on.
As my mother would have said, Jesus knows all about my struggles.
Yep.
Let me do like a cricket promotion pan the sitting here, although we're live. So top stuff, you know?
Yeah, the boy, I know Jesus.
No, me not the Aki to. I need to Aki right, you know.
Just
I eat tomorrow for breakfast.
Aki, I'm on the green.
No wonder the session.
Aki give you prostate.
you know, lucky you can't give you anything right about. No, me still want some. You can't go and talk. You only have one. My God, explain something to you. So you live outside of Jamaica. There's this life that you don't treasure. Missy man fight over that. You can't go and talk.
Man, fight about
I know, say, Aki, there, my country. You know, like in my yard, and I'm not eating. Sense.
Why?
My yeah. I live like in a big like Canada, big like United States. So you can't get them sitting here for purpose unless somebody can't come give. Why you live for 2 years? I'm going to have this discussion again. Yeah?
Yes, I'm gonna miss it.
Miss is a no, me. All right. It's been me come to Jamaica what 4 years ago. So it's been 4 years since me see one out to eat here. Let's take one.
Right.
And
You come to
4
Jamaica.
years.
What do you mean you come to Jamaica? Where did they before?
no, me live in Atlanta.
Oh, okay.
So
Well,
Oh,
I
you
live
never born
in
in
Jamaica, you know.
You never born
I
in
live
No,
in
man.
Jamaica.
hmm?
Me live in
Yeah.
Mobile.
You never born now. Me not there in Jamaica right now, but they are watching.
They are watching.
No say hold on, idiot.
Yo, what going on, my bear, Nick?
Well,
Please
I
calm
will
down.
pass soldier. They are rough.
Oh.
But you calm, man. You can't go to the door, go sleep, and nobody no rob you anymore.
Man saying.
They are moving, you know.
Yeah.
Still do that either
Until.
way.
But
They
don't-
want to see up on the road.
But
There's
they don't
somebody want to see
run
up on the road with Lasco.
Eh?
But they don't there for 2 weeks when I come.
Mm.
Up a Carnival Courts. Up the nice man, we're not in the life.
Then I can't coach me live my youth.
Yeah? Me goodly know Janelle then.
Who name Janelle?
Freighter.
I guess that mean no.
No, I don't know Janelle Fraser. I know probably me know the person by a different name.
Or Chanel.
Yo, can of course big
Chanel
enough.
Cole.
War yard name.
Mobile. I don't know. You got Mobile high.
Alright, so you know the girl by alright, name will be you know that. Live.
Yo, brothers.
Yo, the man.
But I hear no
You know,
Yo, remember the 5 time zone slow so you have to
yeah, I really understand. Brother, Sunday, here.
You just have drug on, eh?
Sunday.
Sunday.
What
I
time?
want to Black Panther tomorrow.
Sunday.
What time Sunday?
Yeah?
Why, yeah, sure.
What time Sunday?
Yeah, man.
Alright, well on Simon, so we're gonna tell you which thing you have to catch up with.
Alright.
We're gonna go up
Nick.
until hold on. We intend to go up until
profile look up.
profile cup. Look up. Profile look
Pro.
up.
Master profile cup of football. Alright, profile look up. Okay.
Yeah, profile look up.
Alright, Sunday. So like I'm all tired too.
Who, me?
Alright.
The program never sleeps.
No, I don't
What?
think we're gonna make it till profile look up. Come backwards with a for loop, where we go.
What? For a loop?
Yeah, count backwards the for
With a
loop.
for loop, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So do that
Me know that. Ah, yeah, man.
Yeah. So accessing objects, properties with variables, right?
Yeah, that's how they.
Okay. Use player number variable to look up 16 in test object using bracket notation.
Veronica, you reach out to Quincy.
Yeah, man. My music chat about one project I'm doing want to start off earlier. And he'll give me some pointers and things. So just reach out back to him and make you know say we have one little live code session I go on a night time where we just run through FreeCodeCamp, the JavaScript part. And I just ask him say if you don't want to drop in one night and if I want 5 minutes, here for one talk and thing. So I'm say, yeah man, that can work.
Original Japan Sunday as well.
Don't know if you know how to do it like man.
Who that?
One Sunday we can do it. Pablo Grant.
Sunday I have meet up with my folks on Sunday. What time we having this online? What time? Same time?
8 to 11, yeah. 8 to 10 same way, yeah. If me not late.
So because you're Jamaican, you're gonna be late. So about 9 o'clock.
No man, we usually on time. I must say the only like last 2 times alone we late.
Okay.
People always there about same way still, man.
Yeah.
Well, everybody knows somebody have no life.
The only reason why we wait on me and Kaz at the live. But but yo, we don't know the software here though. It's bad enough. OBS software, so anybody want to like YouTube video?
Yeah,
me use it before.
on Ubuntu.
Bad.
Yeah, man, people them normally use it for gaming.
Music once for live code FreeCodeCamp for me personal Facebook.
Okay.
Get a few persons down there watching.
What's the name of it?
OBS. I don't know what it stands for.
OBS.
Not sure.
OBS studio.
Only big stuff.
Oh, open. Oh, really? What?
I'm just kidding.
Nobody else in the area, right?
I'm glad.
Okay.
Me here, she says that mama just couldn't pick up our she said.
Wow.
Picking an idiot, I swear to God.
Open broadcaster software. It stands.
Software, right? Oh, well, it's good, but if you search for it in a Google, beside it you say XSplit, Bandicamp, and the famous Discord and Fraps. You can use VLC to this too? Wow.
Them have a pay and so.
No. Discord you can do for free. Bandicamp is free. Fraps is 2008.
Okay, so now we're assigned. What is it? We're assigned.
Fraps. I think Fraps is the first. You're assigning a value to what?
Happy code. I'm gonna run through this now. Happy code.
Somebody else want to sleep?
Samantha, man. Want to boss a
Amigo.
You have work I'm on in some.
Actually, no, but me have to go up on the road early.
Which way you come from, Samantha? Send me here.
Boulevard.
You're a town girl? Oh, you said that weird. So that like a country girl.
Well,
Hold on.
I'm a ready girl though.
Me not understand the man that come this set. The man come this set me right now.
No.
I fight you today.
No, send me I know it.
Okay, alright.
So we feel like country girl. Everybody
different
different
accent them all. You can pick up different people have different set of accent today. You know that.
That is true.
Yeah.
You can tell St. Elizabeth people, and that's one thing you know.
Ben did there. Ben dong there.
Kuya.
Him.
Kuya.
Murder.
Me can't believe. You know where mobile people always say, they can say they afraid. They.
He there. And everybody then call him. Girl
No,
and boy.
Moby, no man, Moby, anytime Moby I say, you where like they go. No, where they go do that for?
Come on.
Are
We
you
don't
talk?
talk like that, nigga.
Yesterday.
Yeah, no, it's not yesterday. It's yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday.
All right, children, behave. Let's go back to it. Let's try finish. All right, who finish?
Yeah, we just finished that one there, like, so now we do our dog that bark equal bow wow.
Me.
Dog speak like that. My dog does not speak like that.
Your dog has a degree from you.
Yo, you know some people disgusting. Yo, whatever Bridget them talk about said, you take.
Man laugh out the joke. Come on.
Hey man say you take
Yes,
accept
people do that.
Yeah, hey man say you take all accept dog for the road to blow. That the man say, no?
Okay,
Disrespect the people in school.
Okay, so I need to change player number to 16 in object.test. Okay.
Because him get accepted in a UA
Start.
and he never get accepted to UTech. Him man sour.
What was it different? Why difference?
No, UTech computer program more practical, brother.
Yeah, me know. You all half of you is theoreticians. Me know.
Yeah.
Then sit down and chat for it all day long, and when the time comes for them to set them, then can't do crap.
You
We
see
know
where we
that.
must to go for your first year. Because I remember say that's 3-year program too, you know. So that's why. That's one reason.
All right. So I wanted to do computer programming from God knows how long. I went to Michael. I did the whole teacher education thing, and then one day me a teacher realized that it just not gonna make no sense no more and call it a day. Honestly, I wanted to make software for my students, but I never had enough time. And that upset me. So after a while, I call it a day. All right, so player number to 16, player name. Okay, instruction used to change player name. So are you supposed to touch player name at all? No. Oh, player name is supposed to be Montana. Okay.
Montana.
Yeah, really?
Almost see my penny wally.
Right. Don't say nothing. Just enjoy it. Don't say nothing. Just laugh. Okay. Oh, I know why so them still not rewrite the test for this yet because it not pick up single quotation is the same thing as double quotation. So what am I doing wrong?
You want to share your code?
Yeah, hold on. Player that number must be a name. The variable player should be a string. Hold.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
I know you're God alone. Why are you so selfish? Okay. Oh, here we go. So this is my code here. Why is it?
Yeah, you.
Who that?
Shut up, you're in my...
Wait, go on again.
My sister, but she not a background.
Player number should be so if I'm supposed to do this,
You can't access.
I can't access that, so it's not going to be that. Montana is going to be what?
Where macaroni I go? On the macaroni.
So
macaroni that?
It's a looking thing on the road. Middle road. And people ask where macaroni I go.
Where the
Where the macaroni go?
So,
Use objects for lookups. Them want to read
Yeah,
use
number.
objects for lookups.
So Renard, what you need to do is thing that to make is that you can access properties through variables.
mhm.
So it's a player number equals 16. And there's a test object.
What we
like
do
player
is just like how you put inside the variable.
Yeah, man, no, you're assigning the
So if I assign it to the 16, because I'm telling you in the instruction thing.
part of the test object test. Okay.
So yeah, and then you're going to access the you instead of the literal value.
Okay. So test object. Oh, player. Yeah.
Just trying to show you that you can actually use variables instead of literal values inside square bracket notation. So on line 12,
Yeah, I get
you would put
because of using it goes through test object and make sure it uses player number, which is assigned already to 16, and run it.
yeah. What they say?
Having more.
Yeah, I understand what I do. Test. Hey.
With my laugh.
I'm sorry, I have very, very clean ears. I will hear everything, but I just not laugh.
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I hear baby attack too.
Dude, come on, remember we're on live here.
Baby, so I wonder if I nearby
Me
her.
hear joke.
We're up on live.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, for myself. I said too.
Seriously, don't.
Test the. Okay, you guys can move to the next one. I'm just making notes.
Oh, cool.
Oh crap! I keep forgetting to set me sure. Hold on. Stop.
Oh crap,
Next.
get disconnected. What the hell?
Oh, that's why we're here. So
No.
okay.
The software was disconnected.
From YouTube.
But it did continue from the software itself, but it never continued on Facebook. What kind of wickedness is this? So once the stream ends, once the stream ends from the software itself, Facebook.
Why don't you just record it and then upload?
No, it's best if you do live because recording is just watching another video. When you do live now, people can come on and and interact same time. So we keep watching it.
If somebody see it and want to jump in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because recording would just be another tutorial video.
But it's fun still.
Yeah.
Start up and start fun.
There's a lot of other groups. All right. So the next. So are we updating objects? Object.
No, but then using objects for lookups.
Next move. Objects for lookups. How far ahead are you?
One more.
All right. Let's do it. That's wolf.
No, that's what they want my dog to say.
My dog does not say wolf. My name is equal to Rufus.
Rufus Clucas. Clucas.
Rufus. My dog could name Rufus. Him have to name Happy Coder. Yeah, so.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, them get a specific string.
It's not test case. Me no. What then should I do is that make sure say your dog name is not equal to something. Okay, go.
Always there. Using objects.
Adding.
Yeah, middle using objects for lookups.
I'm adding properties to a JavaScript object. Am I one behind or one ahead?
One behind.
Yeah.
Sorry. Excellent.
One behind?
Yeah, the one.
Okay.
Or two. I think I want to add two. We need to go back live. I want one for the sitting here, man.
I hear a computer. I can't visit you. Okay.
Statement into a lookup table. Table called lookup, I should say. Use it to look up val. Assign. What?
All right. So Hasta La Vista challenge. Dude, how far behind am I? This is what? 415, 342. Okay. What?
Lord.
I just answer random stuff. Come here, hear somebody like somebody. Is it a phone or something? Yeah, again.
Dog answer so. I think that's on rubbish answer him. A rubbish I call him. But I feel how we here.
I'm fine.
Listen, you know what I call you? Imagine if somebody I call him for doing a favor for me, you know.
That's my friend is famous as take up a feeling.
Yes, you can't help me with the phone there for me. Maurice, what?
But I want all the money.
Leave the other man alone. Alright, change this line. Okay, so we are now on using objects for lookups.
Alright, so what is going on?
Okay, so it's asking us to convert switch case statement to a lookup to a table called lookup. Use lookup value for assigned. What the hell is it saying? Okay, let's try.
Look up really. Yeah, so what they want to do, they want to convert the code, that switch statement what them gave us into an object, and then the lookup function supposed to return sorry. The lookup function is supposed to return the actual result, which result would be that object property.
Okay.
Well, so that just be whatever object that val
Yeah.
result equal result val equal result that val. I mean result wait what? Answer equal result that val. Just or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, remember me that tell us say could actually use an object instead of a switch.
Yeah.
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 So these type of things are supposed to work. Let's see if it's work. Oh. Wait.
Who create Jamaica Domino again?
Damien, I'm not there.
Oh.
I'm not usually come.
Yeah, work him. You're supposed to design man. So
Link him money, man make money and fight. You can get a good money too.
Hold on. Somebody made an app called Jamaica Domino.
Jamaica
Yeah.
Domino.
True.
Yeah, my virgin.
Oh, that's nice.
yeah, Dave.
That's
Pretty
nice.
good too.
Have a go looking at insert.
You might implement some machine learning algorithm. No.
No, that's just cheating.
What's cheating?
Yeah, the man them just can't code them out. The body like miles ahead.
It's not cheating. All right, it's not cheating if you get caught.
I one course him have, you know? One machine learning course, and then from that him start put it in inside of the project. So you must say for the first 2 months it's hard, but then after a while you get in a kite. Even though it's still a fail, like the accuracy on the models them when I run, not to work out in our best favor, but at least him put it in and see how best him can. Cause first him did have one little fake AI thing where based on the knowledge of the keyboard, based on the knowledge of the board where they on the domino and the rules that we know, him basically fake the computer playing smart, but now I'm using machine learning for do it, and it's pretty cool.
Mad.
Well, it's official. We're screwed. We're going to lose to the machines. I tell you, lose.
It just put it back on live, yeah.
Yeah, but they are far away. Yeah. So we're live again, everybody. Welcome to part 2. Apologies about that. Somebody's internet kind of cut out. You don't know who it is.
It sounds like a twins tape.
Why? What's it sound like a twins? What's it sound like a twins?
Where you talk, man?
Chris, I'm not getting to sleep tonight, you know.
The programmer never sleeps.
You can't go and shut. I want to kill somebody. I can't less than half a quarter of coffee con me a morning. I'm murder you,
The thing is, you know, I know what you're saying. Even when you
murdering people on live. My God.
I know what you're saying. If you are write a program right now and it's a bother you and you got your bed, even in your sleep, you dream about it.
I chew that.
Yeah,
You know,
hold on, stop.
The problems a lot of times.
Hold on. You're gonna laugh about this. 2 nights ago, my wife wake me up and my wife said to me, say, get up. I said, what happened? She said, yeah, talking in your sleep. I said, what me say? She said, yeah, write one program in your sleep. Me go, yes. Having the no, on the laugh. And the funny thing about it, I don't
Wake up my body.
Boss, I write program for Valentine's Day and sleep.
yes. But what? Tell me and we are As my brother would say, I wish you have a bunch of picnic. The whole of them are genius by 2. And then that one blood spirit.
Trust
All
me.
right.
Really? I read the FreeCodeCamp.
Oh my, I'm sorry. Oh my God.
No man, laugh.
I enjoy myself.
What about?
No, it's not that. The game thing, man.
Damien?
Jamaican. Yeah. Are you sure you want to?
Are you sure you want to what? A troublemaker too, you know. He can get trouble, but him very
Yo, him have nothing to do with Jam Dam.
jam down. No, but him talk to the guys and you know for advice and things sometimes. So, but him have nothing to do with them.
Okay. Because I see him think pan Jam Dam, you know. You always hear one lady come on. Kenneth just joined the Yes, okay, if it's start. I'm start over.
No, that game though make me feel intimidated. Wait, that's why they watch me.
To them charging. It used to be them of VIP for pay.
What they should have done, they should free session fight. It take like 2-3 people in a room, and then after that, it charge for the rest. So them should have.
They did have some free stuff and only allow VIPs for stuff, but I don't know why they make everybody pay though.
Yeah, that kind of makes no sense in the long run, because cost effective wise, you lose. It's like you're fishing and you take out all the bait out of the water and throw down hook. That don't make no sense.
Them still running, and I guess the money still. Because I years now, them have the website.
Yo, for this.
Okay. Voila. You have to take out the switch keys, them.
Yo, wait a minute. Ranik, how you do this?
Yo.
You dumb mother. This is why that give me so much damn problem.
Mario, how me did solve it? Alright, the switch statement, me switch over the switch statement in our
Object.
Yeah, thanks. Brain fall asleep long time. Alright, so I'm switch over in our object, and your party have case and break, you remove all of that. You set up a regular object. And then you're gonna return the object name, that val or
so
bracket
create
val.
an object called answer X, like if it's X. So you say answer that val.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, little more Sammy. Where she gone? She gone already?
No, leaving
Good
now.
night. Thanks for the session. What make anybody just say?
No, I interrupt.
What?
She'll leave. So me I say, oh, she just type it out. No wonder whenever.
Oh, yeah, remember for add Miranda to the group.
Yeah. Miranda, what your number? No, are you an admin, brother?
Oh, me?
Hold on. Yeah, you are. Me an admin too. Yeah, what your number?
Hold on. 678. Oh, you're right. 678.
They make the man call out his number on live.
You know, yeah, prefer making message
Type
in
it
a
Skype,
type in a
You don't want
Skype
to
because
people some spam.
yeah.
You don't hear some scammer. You don't hear them.
Yes, oh that
Virgin them call you.
That live overseas, you know.
Yo, where's
You don't hear the whole of running neighbor them call you.
Yeah, what am I name for them?
Where's that code? The name called
So,
earlier.
so,
Sir,
Ronaldo.
Hello,
Ronaldo.
how are you today?
I hear them. So, Ronaldo, when are you going to send the money?
Hopefully. That happened to me already. I lost until I knew it dead.
Hey.
Them saying your credit. Oh my gosh, I accidentally sent you $20. Can you send me back because I wanted to give my grandmother who is blind?
Oh no, that one the famous. That one the famous man. Me just look on him and go, I'm so sorry, wrong number. Bye.
Why last name? You don't have to type that. You can say
hold-
that.
I know his last name.
Johnson. Look here, man. My brain depend on two things right now. Oh, crap. I plug in my laptop. Oh, no, I don't.
Man say man say brain upon crack.
All right. My brain.
Live, well, people in pan live hear that.
Such is life. We can't have nice.
Oh.
Ah.
So,
Okay,
Gio,
I
you
got
said the one, oh, the last,
But wait,
what that?
supposed to
Oh, when I
end
finish,
with
when I
a
finish.
semicolon. When you create the object, you have to put a semicolon at the end. I want to go on your son.
So, yeah, so, convert statement pretty much. Convert no object and then just return the object name and pass value to what I normally term the thing then. You talk about the object name and the object property.
Yeah.
So you can get back the object property value. Yes. So
Okay.
Politician. Like a bridge I run for one president of a school. I say if I push it for him. I say, yeah, right now I kind of rough on my side still. Because I have planned some event here for Black History Month. I'm rough on
there.
Yo, what going on, sir? Yo, this not working out. Alright, I create one variable name answer. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot. And then result equal answer that val and then return result, alright?
Alright. Yeah, something like that, but yes sir.
Oh.
For the one here, try use the bracket notation.
Oh, okay.
Instead of that. And
Yeah,
so,
you can't use that with variable names, because it's actually going to look for a property called VAL. What you want is the variable evaluate.
Yeah.
And it can only evaluate inside
that bracket. So it's like you pass one variable. Yes, you're right. Yeah, pass a variable now.
But hold on, in the last class, wasn't it the opposite? Because
Kinda.
hold on, I'm confused. Because let me tell you, in the last class, why is it because of the word in a string? Is a string? Is it because the property?
It don't have to be the string. The value that is coming into the function as a parameter basically going to be the key to one of the keys that you have inside the object X. But it's dynamic now. So whatever val is passed in, whether it's Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Echo, whatever, it will evaluate to one of those strings. And then it will look it up inside
the object.
And then it will return whatever the value is for that key. So if you're passing, you could actually replace the variable val with one of the.
Yeah, understood. But why is it that you can't use the dot notation and is a variable while we did it earlier? Whenever I did earlier.
Because when I do earlier, you know, pass the object name. I mean the sorry, not the object name. The object property.
Okay.
So the property on X. All right, look on my screen if I can see it.
Are you on share screen now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So object name X, property name Alpha, property value with the name Adam. Alright, so we can pass like Adam. I mean, can pass like Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot to X, which is the object, using the dot notation. But seeing that I use a variable because this now is automatically a variable. inside that function. So because I pass a variable, I can't use x dot val because that
that
val
would
is
be
not a
using a
part
dot
of
val, or it would be basically looking for a val inside Foxtrot
yes as a
after whatever.
yeah. So it
Oh,
then I
okay.
look for something like
Val this so
val. Yeah, and
without the quotation.
yeah. So pretty much this is now undefined because you know they don't tell.
Yeah, okay.
There's
Alright.
no val.
Mhm.
So what you have to use bracket
Makes sense.
notation because the only way I
We have to
can
use a
pass
variable, yeah.
a variable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So that one, yeah.
Has own property. So they want to show it as one property and show a prototypal inheritance. Cause you wouldn't know why they use a has one property.
Repeat that question there.
Why they want to tell about has one property if we never learn about prototype yet?
I don't know why, but usually if you're iterating over the keys in a object,
Yeah, it
you
extends some
other
it prototype them though.
yeah.
Mm. But how come they want to tell
Yeah.
you that? I tell you to test for that and we don't know, sir. Because them not tell we say it object, not about object orientation.
I think most time these challenges kind of force you to do some research. So most time you start go down into some other challenges, you realize they would never teach you about certain things, but them would say hint, do some research on this and this and that.
Yeah, so the whole purpose of FreeCodeCamp is it does act as a curriculum. So it in our curriculum they now get everything, but them all pointed to where I can go to find additional information. Thus my home screen, MDN.
Your profile page that.
You laugh, but me seriously more learn this thing.
Alright, boss.
My home screen must Stack Overflow.
You see, it feel even worse. Oh no, laugh off of me.
Sorry,
The
man.
man have the mega mart of coding. Stack Overflow.
That's what I learn.
Yo, more one time I answer sitting, brother, I feel like me and idiot after time and them answer after me. Just nobody answer nothing again.
Oh no. When it comes to Stack Overflow, give yourself about 3-4 years before you even start to put them on it.
Yo, the man them there miles ahead, dude.
When I just started to learn the code, I was having a problem with a line of code. Oh dear Lord, I made the stupid mistake of posting my code. Then not tear you up. Then basically wet me up like piece of tissue and flush me down the toilet and cuss while them at it.
Them deal with it, man, because a lot of people, professionals, actually use it for support.
Yeah.
So them try as much as possible to keep the quality of the questions there, as high as possible. So if them see somebody post some questions where, not really make it, then they will don't just to point out to people who look into it. Nobody even come in yourself and look for answer.
Yeah, but after a while, like somebody famously once said, when it comes to Stack Overflow, life is as simple as this. Them say they use it for ticket support. So whenever they have problems, they post it online and wait till somebody fix it and then take a solution and fix it at the end job. Me like, God know that is so smart.
Yeah, but you have some really dev people out there, man. I only
That's
have 300 points. Only ever get 300 points, and it's only because we did answer a few questions for iOS.
okay. Well, on.
You have Stack Overflow points, dude?
Yeah, who did they eat food so? Well, on. What food do you?
Not me this time.
Okay, I know you did not you this time. All right, sir.
Yeah, but
I
don't
mean,
put as me have work a morning, so.
All right, gentlemen, it was both an honor and a pleasure.
I have 51 points on Stack Overflow. I can't show me nothing.
So, whether end this span or end the live, if me and Ronnie can continue, we can continue. But We can end it here. Well, let me just go and find out the lessons power then.
I remember for add Nerando. I cut out. Little more peeps.
Well, I know
Yeah,
we end it properly. All right. For the people who watching, once again, this is the 4th session of YaadCode FreeCodeCamp. The last session that we did was testing objects or using object for lookup. So we will be starting at testing objects for properties in session 5, and that will be on Sunday at 8 p.m. Jamaica time. Big up. I don't know it go already. YaadCode.
Yep. A little more peeps.
But I take it easy.
Um,
I am going to put this down. I need to write my Python homework, and I need to come back to this.
Python homework?
Where
I go school?
Python homework?
Oh no, I have a mentor, and he throws me homework every week. So my mentor is, I don't know if anybody have time for waste. His name is Tobyho, Tobyo. He's one of them people that were literally in my program for 20 years. So when me have issues with JavaScript, he tell me to learn Python. So it's not bad so far. And it open your mind to a lot of things in JavaScript where you never think about. So it's not bad.
For the one a while ago, testing objects for properties. You will pass checkpoint, check prop in a quotation mark or something.
I remember when we did do this, so let me double check.
Alright, gentlemen.
Function check object.
Yeah, man, we linking us, so that's how we start off. But I add it to the group right now. So
cool.
You're Atlanta now, you're there Jamaica.
No, I live in Atlanta now.
Oh, so you have a free code camp Atlanta too?
We have one of the biggest free code camps.
Oh, okay, that's good. So
me help.
So them have real meetup too.
No, dude, me help run the free code camp Atlanta. We have meetups every other week.
Okay.
That's
good, man.
No, man. Here,
nothing sort out, man.
No, that's not it. What happened with here? All right, Atlanta's tech scene is what? 4th in the nation. So there's a meetup in Atlanta for anything you can think of. For any programming language you can think of except Haskell, there's a programming language feed. There's a meetup. So there is a big community here, and then the jobs are actually here for a lot of people. So the people come up to meet and greet and talk and all of that stuff.
Yo, your WhatsApp now come up. Want me? You know, on WhatsApp.
Oh no, I set it to private. Come off of WhatsApp for a couple of weeks. Hold on. Somebody get pumped up on my nerves, and me no want to tell them forget to go to hell. So hold on. Reach a stage on my life now. I'm not afraid to tell people to look for all of them parents. So hold.
Mad. Also me can't code.
You run?
Yeah, man, for me run and go through. So, alright, so I want if statement me run. So, the checklist me run say if the my call about the object, if the object has one property, which would be check props. Run here, return that object. That object check props. Would include the property where you pass through to the function. So they return that. If it's not there, it will return not found.
Oh, that's what they say we do. Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, I never read the instructions, you know. My bad.
Yeah, because it would make no sense, right? If
right.
My object that has property,
you literally have to go save my name in a WhatsApp and then send me a message or something. Because I'm online now. What time is it? 12:17. Do I need to go to bed? Maybe. Because I need to get up early tomorrow morning.
At least I'm on 4 hours ahead of your youth.
Oh no, man.
You 4 hours ahead of Giovanni.
Yeah.
Where's Giovanni? Where? Canada or Texas?
Vancouver.
Canada.
Vancouver? Oh yeah, that kind of explain all that.
Man, I say Vancouver, like say Vancouver, not part of Canada. That's like saying Jamaica. Oh, come on.
What you really? Yo,
Honestly.
see up on the thing in the boss.
Oh shit. Alright. Somebody text me their number. Let me see if me can add somebody. What you talking about?
604.
On what?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, somebody just send me what crap. You said yeah, send me somebody number. Okay. Okay, 604. I'll check my resume. Hold on, give me a second.
Well, unlike them, me got work like 10:30, so.
Oh no, me work
so
tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, me can't sleep late tomorrow because me work on projects, so I don't really have to get up early in the morning. We can stay up late, but I have my other half, and we try to sleep, make sure so we sleep on the same schedule, because it poses problems otherwise.
Oh.
She's at 6 o'clock in the morning. And me stay up until like 4, but because now we have to make sure
so
me and
after we type, we realize they want to sell meat, you know.
A long time.
Hit hub.
Alright, cool.
Really, my screen still a share.
Yep.
Darn it.
Oh.
Yeah, this is my familiar. The project I did start up.
You did
rough.
start up.
Yeah, man, rough, bad.
Did start up, me ratted and it a run. Run, see. Check shit.
I'm gonna pull up here. Damn, where's my terminal?
Alright, me just text you back. Start and type in that term. Problem solved. CD, okay. Ooh, okay.
Why
so
put ampersand first?
And?
Okay.
Alright. I'm sure under the embarrassment, I know. Embarrassment one.
Did it? Do you have any NPM modules?
It said start. Oh, see it load. Took you long enough.
I'll load it.
Yeah, I thought the one little foolishness man try build up. But you not reach now yet. I'm telling you, some of just reach I log in. And there's another embarrassment.
So what the back
it's
like, how you log in? Like how where I use for this? Where I store that?
I can't spell. PHP mad. What? So me want idiot smartly.
PHP had what?
A PHP MySQL database is supposed to store now. I think this is written in Node.js. I use Express. What else?
Yo, I don't understand what I go on. The man message me, I still can't add him. I don't see him in a list of me add. Oh, I'm gonna eat that, sorry.
Ravages, oh, clear for me.
Me type in Renato. Me type in all like, you know. I say, well, I know what I go on.
Okay.
And me put in the name wrong.
Okay, your shot. Who up now about my damn soul case? Yo, look here, man. I don't really want to talk to nobody, you know.
And me had a take group, brother.
Okay, cool. You know, you
Brother,
wouldn't.
man, sharp, you know.
No, you wouldn't understand. Yo, you wouldn't understand, man. Me tell him like one brother tell me one time say yo. Instead of me say yo when you settle down and you start to figure out your head at that time you gonna have problem. But think a joke him I make. Shit. Me have some breeder problem. One day me look up on my phone and I go, alright, if me never need it for business, me just turn it off and take out the same and break it that too. Okay, cool.
So, as I say, the project literally they are ground zero right now.
You just step on the ground floor, shut him out. You don't look too bad.
Yeah, man.
No, at least you have it outlined. You have an idea how you have the structure down. All you have to do is now is finish code it. That's all.
Yeah, I kind of did draw up a few things, you know. Let me see if I can find that.
Where draw
It's all over the place. Mockups, free mockups online.
Makes sense.
That's me. I don't know.
You could have used Sketch.
Sketch.
Free
Might
markup
have-
online, so in here.
Yeah,
I
you
mean,
have a lot of stuff. You have a lot of stuff that can do your good mockup.
Let me see. I'm pull up this and make us see what I go on.
Anybody here ever try to install teletype in a them? Not teletype. Is it teletype? Then call it. Oh, what's it? This thing. Oh crap! What's his name? Teletype. Let's don't tell the name, right? Teletype, where you can literally talk to somebody and
I don't know about that.
you can code at the same time.
What is something here? Markups? Word spell?
Yeah. Sorry.
Let me look on it. Let me see if I the same thing. I think. The check mark.
Online.
EQ.
Allow you to build one project free.
Right, never mind then.
Well, that is not bad. And
Yeah,
But just find one
It's not bad.
markups. MOQUPS. And that's the top, bro?
yeah,
Yeah.
more QUPS.
This-
That.
it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all, my boy.
What is a one side free?
Yes, one free. But what me do? For freeness, I build one site. And when I done do the markup suite, I save them as images and just deleting. So if I want to build the next one, I just build the next one.
Yeah.
Friggin' Jamaican.
So what are
Can't gonna.
So what you do? Use it as background. Like tell me how you do it. Like when
Alright, so
You use
what
it
I
as
use it do? I use it for just draw up the website, what I want it to look like, or a rough draft of what a site will look like. For example, this madness.
And then you make it with what?
And then better save this as one image.
Okay.
So when me a code now, me know say me have one
you might have like
one tag wa having all of this information. One tag wa having all of up here, so me just know what part me go structure make me stuff them.
yeah.
You never
Oh.
say having no colors, you know.
Do you guys anybody here so read stuff like from Medium and stuff like that?
Of course.
There's an article on Medium where me want to show no. Damn it! Why does this thing
When
seem
you
messed?
start write a lot of good Medium articles too, so you can check out him.
Who?
And then,
Harrison, why you name in Medium thing named Vicor. You posting on group.
Yeah, peer post it. Where is it? Me not write no Medium article, but me read a whole heap of them.
yeah, man, me go up on Medium, go check you out, too, man, because more, yo,
Write a one article.
by any means possible, me have to learn this thing, no, man.
Brother,
Yeah.
me respect that. Me can't hide until I respect that. Cause I like that. I've been playing with this thing on and off for so long. Me get up like, me look on my thing and me say, alright, enough of this crap. This I done, me I finish this year.
Yeah. And the mentality that I start off this year, because I must be about almost 2 years now, you know.
Oh,
March
please.
come at 2 years now, I start try learn
Alright.
coding from FreeCodeCamp.
Let's put it like this. I know I help run FreeCodeCamp Atlanta. I have done 4 hackathons. I can't code, you know, but I can't develop a knowledge not as good as I want it to be. May do 4 hackathons, win 1, contribute to 1.
Maybe win
So-
1 and contribute to 1. That means that you want to enter 1?
No. We win one of them called if you open your Twitter and type in something called paratransit Polygon, we win. There's even an article in it in AT&T, I think. And then I did the civic hack for this place.
Hey, me literally so long I watch one AT&T hack on YouTube one day, you know.
No,
Me watch it hackathon. He come and say, I wish we did it. I swear.
you're in Jamaica now?
Yeah.
Next time NCU up there hackathon, go.
NCB.
Me plan me things. Me I disappear from work that week. Then anytime no hackathon.
It start on Friday and go all the way on the Saturday. You need to go.
Yo, anytime it happen, just post in our group because whether just want attend purposes might not team have to contribute, but just want to go and see the money something thing.
Me is one of the most experiences you ever do.
I look forward to a hackathon sometime this year. Anyway, day.
NCB hackathon was
Is one.
Me people talk about that one day, and there was a blue stack hackathon recently.
Recently one.
Some late last year, if I say. But the hackathon them kind of silent though. They at least publish it on JS or something. Then
they don't want to do that. You have to understand it.
I think
Hold on. Where's the day?
I can't have the hackathon going to that. The launch going to them. I send you a post. You up on Twitter?
yeah, that makes sense. Wait, me confirm. Can't keep up with social media anyway. Think about the social media. My lady bang, you know. Yeah. Yeah, my Jeep on social media, youth. I think me on Twitter.
You should be on Twitter. You don't want to you don't want to come off of Twitter.
Is it I or E?
Here we go. Here's the article I'm gonna send now. No, it's not this one. Well, you can use this one.
Do I have a Twitter account?
Well, you're about to find out.
No. I can't keep up with them madness, you know.
Oh please, me delete my Snapchat, me use Instagram, and me use Twitter. And I don't have Twitter.
Brave browser, one new browser based on blockchain.
Oh dear Lord.
Instead of Chrome, it blocking ads now. It block ads as straight.
Yes, me have Twitter.
With one goddamn tweet. Okay, that's some bullshit.
Yeah. Yo, I never used it before, you.
You kind of need to use it. Okay, here's the 2 articles them when me think everybody need to read. Them 2 here, me post them in the chat. Them 2 articles are one of the most interesting article. Alright, gentlemen, it is now 11:31. I need to. Alright, we'll work on what? So, anybody want to sit down and make us send us something? I told you online now. Shoot, where's my guitar? We need to go back into this. So, copy. So, alright, for example, when I do like somebody teach me like this, when I do all of my app them on FreeCodeCamp, me do that. Wake up. It's supposed to pop up. Here we go. Me do that. So when it come up, let me show you something. So it is supposed to work, and it is going to ask you for your location. Load your bitch. Good girl. allow. So let's see what it picks up. Okay, reload it. No, never
No,
mind.
man, it a load, man.
Okay, so it does.
Because something kind of laggish, you know.
No, it runs slow. Me not for it. So every time I run it, like if you click upon front end intermediate projects, click down, click on the drop down, the blue notation at top. Click on that. All of the stuff like me still work on that. So every time I work on one of them, me do that. So if you click on any
set up this, yo.
GitHub, you publish the GitHub pages.
The GitHub pages.
Yeah, this is hosted on GitHub.
Okay. I think we'll do something like that before, you know, for our actual site.
GitHub pages, so all of them come free.
Yeah.
So each of them they are just a link to the other one version.
Yep. Yeah. So everybody linked to somebody else. So once me done them, me just publish like all of my code no need for be refactored. Can me learn more stuff. It's need for work. Yeah, they work. The first thing me develop my code like Israelis. Make it first, then refactor it. It not to be pretty.
Version 0.22.
Oh yes, because there should be version. Please, may I work for version 2.1? You can go attack. It work. It's all that matters.
Mad.
You need to work on some more, but it work right now. That's all that matters. Me so fix it again.
And then I'm go up on code pimps so madness what they in front end you to do. The man them on different level and
no, not like
man on serious different level youth.
We need to push it to that. Not like that.
Object C youth.
Oh,
no, right now just a show off, yeah, man.
What? Yeah.
You would.
Please, you need to see some of my friend them stuff.
Yeah, man, I go up on some of you them GitHub, man. I'm tell you say, when you find this a big green.
Please, you have somebody write. You have somebody write out code in New Year in a P1 using that. You can watch. The man, Deva, when me see me like, yo, him just decide say man does a lot of coding this year. The man go ham again. She's rude boy. Me look on him and go, alright boss. Sorry sir. Him say you gonna get there soon. Him say once you have a code dream, you almost reach. Me say alright sir.
So mommy, you want to do this one, get to me skills up to par and make can build something front end, back end, and just.
Yes, like this now. This way I don't know. This should is this way I show it now? You host it on GitHub?
No, I'm telling you this other local stuff. Well, the project itself is on GitHub,
okay, cool.
But it's not hosted there.
Okay, you see, every time you refactor it, push it to GitHub. You have to make GitHub a habit. That is just how GitHub stay.
I do a couple push well, but I think I don't know push recently.
Yeah.
And GitHub's supposed to look very naked like right, you know.
My one, yeah, me done. Me normally do like 2 pushes a day, but me done for now.
Yo, the hackathon is, I don't understand.
It look rough.
What? Which hackathon that? Mine?
The hackathon is tomorrow.
Which hackathon that? The NCB hackathon?
The e-government Jamaica hackathon. But just 79 good.
They're full of shit. Why there? What's one thing we can't stand in Jamaica? Oh,
then Liam down here, yo.
No, brother, you know why you think say half of we who in a tech left Jamaica because we can't bother deal with them because every time you open your mouth, they start dealing like you're an idiot. And then tell us you're in a technology and you do your thing. Oh, you have to have a degree. For what?
For what? Yo, I'm recently, you know, I go up on Google. I search for type of job them man them what them look for on Google. So the requirements where you need to work at Google. Some of the jobs them what them push. They don't need if you can plot sun and all these things with code. But
they need it for
when we look on the requirements for the jobs them down here as a programmer, yo, they want everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the version them get one coding test for the year that. It come like say, the man build the whole platform before him come to my job.
Yo, the Bangli thing rough, man.
Yeah, you look on them and go.
Then they hear them have a bag of vacancy that they can't fill. I fool it.
You can't fill.
Because the problem at the end of the day, the problem is that you don't have any programs in place to because in the United States and in Canada, I know saying see it by now where you have a lot of developers that are self-taught.
And the man them actually value self-taught developers. Because them say, yo, them no Monday.
Not even that.
Them no Monday.
Say, a lot of the barrier for entry low. So if people them will take you in and say, okay, you will learn on the job.
No, but because I realize what I'm going because I'm there I work at daytime. Some I go up on guitar. I just get my FreeCodeCamp bounce them. So one time I help some of you them and them like, yo, where they? You code for your company? And I said no. I just freelancing without nothing freelancing. I just practice practice for code better. And the man must say, no man, some of my things on me, help me with and some of my questions I want you answer. You're supposed to work.
Yeah, yes. If you have the capacity, me I gotta say this and people are gonna hate me for it. Can me say because when me used to teach, somebody said to me, if me did only listen, would I be further ahead than where me is now. They say when one day you're gonna wake up in there, man, you're gonna realize that your country don't appreciate your skill. They said do like Bob Marley and cut. Tap hard with people. It's a go better yourself because at the end of the day you love your nation, but your nation don't love you.
Mr. Man, they hungry rough out them, man. Rough.
Brother, you're not telling me nothing. Me have a brethren we have back in the day. Alright, when I go to school in there have no computer, even though computer science was his major. He used to stay at the lab late at night. One day he get one assignment and he might come from the house and he late. And the assignment due must about 9 o'clock and then come in 9:15 and then tell him saying he can't do it, but instead to them saying finish the assignment. So the professor said to him, so why you do it pan the intake out must about 4 pages. He write it out in a bus and he wait. And no, so this can't work. And he look pan him and go bet. And they say if he work, then he getting grade. You know, so after he done type it out, one type and press enter, it run cleaner than everybody else one night class.
Swear.
What on? Now when that man was in charge of the lab at Michael, I think no, he left me now. When he in charge of the lab at Michael and he said to them, so they need to change the infrastructure because it get outdated. He tell him no, and he couldn't talk to them because he not a degree. He said, okay, cool. He said to them, you know when then change 4 years later.
Yo, they lame, yo.
Behind the curve. Then I hit that curve, then back a wall.
Yo, them behind you, alright. For sure, it says the youth them don't get what run the thing. They're not so sensible. Alright. So for one of the things on my plan to push down here, alright? My plan to push my new ID system.
I hate it.
Them all get facial recognition, all of them things there. Because them all get new that's good, but no for we not even have camera down here where you use identify people.
Do you know how much money is behind that concept? You know how much money somebody are trying to make off the Jamaican government?
Me not know, but me tell us that people waste time when we could have alright, for sure the truth. Me work on a factory. You know what them be like factory?
What?
Circuit board for printers. Printers, label printers. Right. And the circuit board them.
Yeah.
Some Montigonians, some will be a youth. You pass them the youth upon the road and you say, yo, them nobody can pull down your phone reassemble that in front of your face. Man, them pull down anything they get and reassemble it in front of your face and build up a circuit board. They have them the skill set they use.
No, but the worst part about it is that those skill sets were always in Jamaica and nobody wants to capitalize on it yet. Now people start doing it.
Oh, and you tell me now say you have that, you have programmers here, and you have some local man who about the place who can build stuff. Man. No local program not there for them. I have a community like this now, and maybe you can go through the community and find all 100 engineers. What am I do? Nothing.
Can I say something to you funny?
Yo,
You're going to laugh at this. Ready? How much for a pound of yam Jamaica?
110 $.
Good.
I'm up here.
A pound of yam in Atlanta in the middle of summer is $4.25 US.
That's like $4.
Okay, good. You're gonna left you with that. Think pan the math and think pan all of that. It take $1 to get it from Jamaica to here. So think pan that. Me don't talk to you this. So Merry Christmas.
We say, yo, the man them lame out of yo. Yo, the man them have one whole heap of skills a waste.
Yeah. Well,
Yo, you see Freeport, Montego Bay, a whole heap of engineers down out there. Hundreds of
Yeah.
engineers down out there can't find
You know
no can't fix nothing gonna take call.
what's with your damn mind? And then you have a problem when the engineer then left Jamaica. Oh, we have a brain drain. Drunk crow. When it,
But Wakazi.
well, I know drunk crow. When you have them in there,
One thing
use
causing all of this problem when I backward HR people in Jamaica. The people
Backward what?
HR.
no, because if you challenge them, you challenge them power. All right,
True.
what we need? You challenge them power. You take them power from them. Yeah. So, oh shit, we need to push some code to this tonight. I am going to do the drag and drop bullshit. Hello, love.
I know if
Install box and stuff and that's up near. Oh,
Those are all of the front end
well,
developer projects, right?
What
yeah.
Okay.
I'm almost finished. After this, me I go learn. Me I go everything else. Me I go do after this. Me I go do it in a year 6. Me just this is the last thing me I do in a vanilla JS because me understand it. And then here's the thing, I have 5 more lessons with my mentor, so that's about 8 more weeks plus because he might give me a final project, and then we are gonna move over to JavaScript. He does. Let me show you who we're talking about. YouTube. Where's Toby? Toby does a talk called Learning to Learn. Toby, how? Not you, midget. Oh.
We need to delete all of my projects and man start over. The whole
He just take time. Just take your time.
Yeah man, me I do everything over in the A6.
Yeah. Just
Every
what you
last
fit
step
the
I
notes.
do over in the A6.
What you need to do is just do git user, take off the code, put it in a GitHub pages and do one version, make your personal page on like GitHub pages, and then have version 1 and have 2 so the people can see the growth. That's all they need to do. Oh shoot. Oh damn it.
I want them to sleep in the
Oh.
Oh, wait, no, we need grocery first.
Yeah,
We
I think
buy
so
grocery
gonna
first and
be.
then cut off.
Yeah.
I forgot. Make sure some read the article and I'll come more.
Oh shit, it come like I never stop learning. Yeah, so this is the last thing I gotta do. This is the guy we learn with. That's the guy we learn with.
Okay.
So I'm do something called yeah.
Must have opened them tab until a man, you know. A man, you know, so
Oh yeah.
fresh.
Anybody here have do you guys use like when you use Chrome? There's a tool
Use
called
Brave.
Brave.
Yeah. New browser. Search it up.
BRAV. There's a plugin called the Mighty Suspender. It this I heard about this thing.
No ads.
Chrome
3 times faster. Based on Chromium.
Yeah, Chromium use. I not use Chrome. I use Chromium.
Okay.
I use Chromium and I use a new version of Firefox.
Me too. Me start using version of Firefox, but me use a Brave cut all of the ads them, cause ads still come through with Chromium.
Well, as the man them say everywhere, scammer them there.
When I
heard this about the browser now, because I know say the Linux users them. I know say them have them Tor browser.
Yeah,
And
but
from them dark web and
I can't be
that will
bothered.
get them Bitcoin and then the illegal activities.
Can't run off.
Big man, why you call Bitcoin and illegal activities in the same sentence?
They were different the kind youth.
If you didn't do discussion with me.
If we do?
If you did jump in a Bitcoin in October when it was about 5 or 6 grand, and jump out when it in a December when it was about 17 or 18 grand, we wouldn't have
19. Come on, 19 grand. Don't take away from me. 19 grand.
See, you know about it.
But it, no man, because me I trade Bitcoin.
Exactly. So
But sure too, but me just nah, me not have enough money, huh? I 2 bills me put in there. Go to what? You go to
Oh, you actually put money in it.
why?
I've never spent on Bitcoin. My mind me first. So my mind so altcoin. Then I get the Bitcoin. Right now I have bills from zero.
Might as well.
Yeah, so anyway, I didn't time there no youth.
Gentlemen,
Yeah.
More. Next session,
Okay,
Sunday.
Yeah man.
I might be there, might not, but me I gotta make sure me try join later.
Yeah, man,
Okay.
yeah, man. baby. Hey, I've been trying to get you. No, actually, that's not true. Never mind. Mm. How was it? Mm. Yeah, so yeah, we leave some notes on the docs for you as the facilitator as well, and you know, and so we meet today, and they were just saying a lot of pointers that we could give. I told them about you, and I said, "Who is the panelist?" And I'm telling my girlfriend and one local Black Women's Congress and sociologist graduate, and international leader, Tulumar scholar, and all of that.